Embeddeders, engineers, developers, and friends. We are here at Embedded World 2025 in Nuremberg, Germany, and I am so excited to be broadcasting to you straight from the Embedded Computing Design booth 1500 in Exhibit Hall 1. We are here in our brand new Dev Zone, where we are highlighting some of the most exciting development boards, kits, and products that we found in the industry. And right now I want to talk to you about this, the Raspberry Pi 5. This development kit for ComputeModule 5 includes a ComputeModule 5 and all the essential accessories to kickstart your next Raspberry Pi product design. Now, that's just one of the many kits that we're looking at here in the Dev Zone this year, and I hope that you'll come by booth 1500 and see them all for yourself. All of the companies featured here are going to be speaking in the booth all this week, and I hope that you will like this video. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our videos, and follow us on LinkedIn and all across the web. Visit us at embeddedcomputing.com for all the news that you need to know about the embedded industry. I've been Ken Briota, your editor-in-chief, and I will see you very soon.